Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about a new palette, and this palette is from I Heart Makeup and it's called 24K Gold. I just recently got it and I really like it, and I thought I'll do a review for you guys, so if you're interested, please keep on watching. Now obviously by the name of it you can tell, guys, that this palette should have lots of shimmery shades, and it's true, it has lots of shimmery shades. Now on the inside it looks exactly like other chocolate shaped I Heart Makeup palettes. It has the same amount of colors, it has a mirror as well. Now in terms of colors, there is a lot of shimmery shades, but I was really impressed to see that there are a lot of matte shades as well, so you can kind of use this palette on its own, you don't have to reach for another palette. So this is very useful. There's 7 matte shades and 9 shimmery shades, but in terms of the shimmery shades, guys, these are not your usual very intense glittery shimmer shades. These have a very settled sheen to them, and I've used this palette on my eyes today and it looks really beautiful. The shimmery shades, they look very pearly, if you know what I mean. But I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, it's quite hard to put them on your eyes. The easiest way to put the shimmery shades on your eyelid is with this brush that comes with the palette, and you'll be amazed how good this is for this shimmery shades. If you use like a normal hairy brush, it's not gonna work because you kind of have to dig into the shimmery shadow and then put it on the lid. So this one worked really good for me. So if you're expecting from this palette called 24K to be super duper shimmery and lots of glitter and sparkles, it's not really like that. It's more settled and more, I'd say, more wearable kind of colors, and that's good, that's really good. It's just that it's quite hard to put them on your lid, but once they're there they look really nice. In terms of the matte shades, they're really nice. The colors are very wearable. You get a peachy color, a brown, you get a black, you get a creamy white, and then this is like a tea rose, like a very light purplish color, and then this is like a darker purplish color, and then there's a light brown over here. I really like the color selection because you get like this tea rose purplish theme, and then you get like the pinky peachy theme, which is really nice as well. I've used the peachy colors today on my lid. I really liked it. I like the matte shades because they are pigmented and easy to apply on the lid, and you can build up your color. Like the other day I was working with some really intense pigmented shadows and I was amazed on how hard it is to deal with very pigmented shadows on your eyes, whereas working with shadows that you can build up the color, it's so much nicer and you have so much more control, and that's why I really like these. Now I would definitely recommend this palette. However, guys, be aware that the shimmery shades are a bit hard to work with. Now if you do want some shimmery shades that are more intense and easier to pick up from the pan, I recommend this one, I Heart Makeup Chocolate Rose Gold palette over this one. But have a look at the color selection in this one because it's really beautiful, and it's more wearable, I would say, than other palettes from I Heart Makeup. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna show you a closer look of my makeup that I did using this palette, and then I'm gonna show you the swatches, and I will see you in a sec. So here you go, guys, these are the swatches. I've put all the shimmery shades together over here, and then I've put the matte shades over here. As you can see, the shimmery shades are very settled, very beautiful. There's not a lot of sheen to them, but they are very pearly. I really like them. They are very wearable as well. Now in terms of the matte shades, I really like the color selection. You've got these purpley shades over here, you've got this peachy shade, and then you've got the browns and the black and the creamy shade. And here you go, guys, this is a closer look of the palette for you so that you can see the colors in the pans and see if you like them. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that this review was helpful. Please leave me questions down below, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye!